Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office Word, how to find number of paragraphs. To find number of paragraph, you can use word count tools. Click on review menu. The next, click word count and it will automatically show for word count dialog box. In this word count, you can see the information about paragraph 19. It means if you add more paragraph by pressing enter and type like example. Now if we count again, the paragraph will be changed into 20. So every time you press enter in it and then type word count, it will be show for 21 paragraph. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office Word, how to find number of paragraphs. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.